Hi everyone, and thank you for joining us today here at the Taubman Museum of Art for an art spotlight. Today I want to talk to you about this piece, which I'll let you get in closer to see. This is a work by Walter Biggs. And as you're observing this artwork, observe the colors, the composition, what's in the painting, what we're looking at. Observe the brush strokes, the way the paint is on the canvas. And consider seeing this from afar as opposed to up close. This is work that's done in an impressionist style, meaning that the brush strokes are very loose and gives us more of the interpretation of what we're seeing rather than fine detail. And it is entitled June Flowers. This is a lovely piece to hearken in spring, which is almost here in the Roanoke Valley. Perhaps you have flowers at home that you grow in your garden and you will put in a vase in your home. Walter Biggs was a Salem native, and he attended the New York School of Art, where he was taught by the likes of Robert Henri, who was leader of the Ashcan School. And his classmates were also fairly famous, including Edward Hopper, whom you might be aware of. Walter Biggs went on to become an illustrator mostly, so still lifes like these were not a huge part of his repertoire, though he did create them. Most of his works appeared in magazines, such as Harper's Daily, and were meant to, of course, illustrate the stories being told. Walter Biggs retired to Salem, and in 1961, he received an honorary doctor's degree from Roanoke College. And he still remains a favorite of the Valley today. This is a still life painting, and this is something you can do at home. Consider a vase of flowers, a bowl of fruit, whatever you might have on your table, and just sketch it out. It doesn't have to be very detailed. It can be very loose, such as Walter Biggs has created here. And if you create your own still life, tag us in a picture of it. We'd love to see it. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you next time.